and threatens prison for doctors who violate it. Republican Senator Joni Ernst.
Senate Republicans, the GOP, and President Trump really worked hard to overturn Roe v. Wade. So we return that back to the states. That is the law of the land.
And the stakes on this issue now raise even further in the battleground state of Arizona heading into the 2024 presidential election. Reporting live, I'm Jamie Pulver.
680 News Time, 7:38. The Ford government is reportedly facing pressure from some of the country's biggest grocers and retailers over its changes to the Blue Box recycling program. 680's